Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to Wild Style Collective with another sneaker review and unboxing. So today, I'm excited to unbox and review the Adidas Yeezy 450 Slide Cream. Real quick before we do, I just want to go ahead and mention that all the sneakers you see me unbox and review on my channel are retail W's, meaning I cop it straight from the manufacturer and don't have to pay resale and risk getting fakes. So, the Adidas Yeezy 450 Slide Cream has finally released on August 3rd, 2023 on the Confirmed app for a retail price of $110. For those of you who may or may not know, Adidas has ended their partnership with the Yeezy brand in October of 2022, but Adidas has announced that they're still going to release their remaining inventory in stock with Yeezy in staggered releases, starting in May 31st, 2023, and is expected to run until late 2023, early 2024. At the time of this recording, we're currently well into our second Yeezy day for 2023. Like I mentioned, the first one started on May 31st, 2023. May 31st, 2023 was somewhat of an unofficial Yeezy day this year that had no promotion. Unlike this year's Yeezy days, last year's Yeezy day was heavily marketed and promoted to the masses. For those of you who don't know, Yeezy Day is a one-day online event where Adidas and Yeezy give buyers the opportunity to purchase various restocks as well as new models and silhouettes. Drops typically used to happen on the Adidas app, the Confirmed app, and YeezySupply.com. But now, Yeezy Supply has been decommissioned and no drops happened on the Adidas app. This year, the drops only happened on the Confirmed app. So typically this is what you could expect the label to look like when you're hitting on Confirmed. It'll say that it's coming from Bloomington, California. And this is what it should always typically look like when you're hitting on Confirmed. No extra labels here, which is good because last year on Yeezy Day they were putting labels of what's inside the box on the outside of the box, which I'm sure we all know by now is very dangerous. That's like really putting your package at high risk of being stolen, broken into, or what have you. So I'm really glad that they didn't do any of that foolery this year. All right, so without any further ado, let's go ahead and get right into it. Okay, so this box is different right off the bat. That's cool, I already dig that. So here we have the box for the Adidas Yeezy 450 Slide Cream. So that's what it's gonna look like here. Yeezy 450 Slide. Colorway reads cream, cream, cream. Small Adidas branding there. Doesn't look like there's anything else. Yeezy 450 Slide made by Adidas. Okay. All right, y'all, let's get right into it. And here we have the slide. Some Adidas branding there on the bottom. Let's go ahead and take a look at that production date here. So, wow. These were actually made back in October of 2020 is what I'm seeing here. That's interesting. Got the Adidas branding there as well. Pretty cool. That's what we could expect from the tag there. Let's go ahead and get that other one out. So this is actually a brand new slide model from Yeezy brand. It personally reminds me of the delicious Mexican snack chicharrones. Fire, super fire. If you haven't tried it, definitely go out and cop yourself some. It's really delicious. So I'm curious to see what impact these slides may or may not have on the world. I have already seen some pics of Kim K in them already floating around, so I wonder if that's going to be all the marketing that they're going to do for it, as that's all they've typically done in the past. I also wonder if other brands are going to try to hop on the wave and copy it, like historically it's happened with almost every Yeezy model ever. So I'm interested to see what happens with that. So for sizing, I was told on the app to go ahead and go a half size up. So that's what I went ahead and did. Copped me a size 9. I'm typically a true to size 8.5, but as suggested on the app, I went ahead and copped me a size 9. I am noticing on the inside there, it does look like it's made in China. Okay. So stay tuned for the on-feet look that's coming up here at the end of the video. I really appreciate everybody's time. Thank you for tuning in. Please like, comment, and subscribe if it's your first time here. And have a good one, everybody. Peace.